All right, folks. You know that moment when technology leaves you stunned and you just sit there thinking, how did we get here? Well, brace yourselves, because Ubitech just unveiled a game changer that's about to redefine what we thought humanoid robots could do. Meet the Walker S2, a robot with a feature I'm pretty sure no one saw coming. This thing can swap its own battery autonomously. Yeah, you heard that right. No human intervention needed. This could mean robots working 24/7 without stopping. For a recharge, the demo starts with the Walker S2 strutting its stuff, walking smoothly, no big deal, right? But then, it takes it up a notch by showing off its five-finger end effectors. That's just fancy talk for robot hands that don't have to look like human hands. They just need to get the job done. Now, here's where things get wild. When it reaches the battery swap station, the Walker S2 doesn't just stand there awkwardly. Nope. It switches to a whole new set of end effectors, specifically designed to grab and swap out the battery pack. The bot's got two battery packs, stacked on top of each other to avoid losing power during the switch, kind of like how BIMO swaps out batteries in Adventure Time. Look at this. The joints on this bot are so flexible that it maneuvers that old battery out of its back and slots it right into the charging tower. I'm talking about hypermobility, something we've seen in other bots like Boston Dynamics Atlas or Unreal's G1. But this is next dash level. It's like this robot's joints have been designed by a gymnast on steroids. I mean, who knew we'd be seeing a humanoid do yoga while changing batteries? But the Walker S2 isn't just about battery swaps and fancy joints. There's more going on here. Ubitech's been working on something called swarm intelligence, and trust me, it sounds exactly like something out of a sci-fi flick. Swarm intelligence lets multiple robots work in sync, like a well-oiled machine. Take a look at this demo. Two Walker S1 robots lifting a huge object and positioning it with precision. It's like watching a perfectly choreographed dance but with robots. One of them even hands the other a tool kind of like an actual Team Dot. And if this feels familiar, it's because companies like Figure are testing similar stuff, using robots in automotive manufacturing. UB's got a partnership with Chinese automaker Zeer, while Figure's working with BMW. So, yeah, these robots might not just be chilling in a lab. They're on the clock. Folks.o and UB's robots, they're also training for what they're calling a robot half marathon. So, not only are these bots working 24/7, but they're also gearing up to chase us down when they need to. Who knew we'd have to outrun robots that can work all night too? Speaking of which, next month, the world's first humanoid robot games are being held in China. If history's any indicator, these robots will be pushed to their limits. I just hope the organizers set up battery swap stations along the track, so our metallic friends can stay juiced up for the race. So here's the question: humanoid robots working 24/7, a net benefit for humanity, or a walking nightmare? I want to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, because we've got plenty more robot action coming your way, especially when those robot games hit. Until next time, stay curious, stay amazed, and maybe keep running just in case a Walker S2 gets any funny ideas. Thanks for watching, fam. Catch you in the next one.